In this video, we're going to learn about variable in Python. In order to create a variable in Python, simply we just write the name of our variable, and after that, we initialize it. For example, I'm going to write here age, and after the name of our variable, we use the assign operator. I'm going to write assign, and after that, we initialize the variable. Simply, we put the value of our variable. I'm going to say, for example, 23. So here this age is our variable, and this 23 is its value, and this equal sign is operator sign. In mathematics, the name of that is equal sign, but in programming, its name is assign operator. So let's create another variable. I want to say name, assign operator, and I'm going to use double quote. Inside that, I'm going to write the value of our variable. I want to say, for example, Bob. So here also, the name is name of our variable, and Bob is the value of our variable. And here, this equal sign in the middle is the assign operator. The next thing that we should keep in mind is that the variable name is case sensitive. For example, if I say here age equal to 24, this age is different than this age, because the first variable name age is with lowercase and the second one is with uppercase. So if I print them, they will be different. So here I'm going to say print. Inside that, I'm going to say age, and also I want to print the next age with uppercase H. So if I save this program and run it, I want to say Python. What is the name of our file? The name of our file is variable.py. As you can see, it printed 23 and 24. So the name of variable is case sensitive. And also the next point about the name of a variable is that we cannot start the name of our variable with number. For example, I can't say 2age, or I cannot say, for example, 7 name, and also the rest of our variable. As you can see, it shows an error. We cannot initialize the name of our variable with a number, or we cannot assign the name of our variable with a whole number. For example, 12 equal to, for example, 45. We cannot use this 12 as a name of our variable. So it shows an error. The next thing is that we can initialize multiple variables in the same line. For example, I can say x, y, and z equal to, for example, 12, 13, and 14. This is also correct, but I'm not recommending this because this is somehow confusing. And also we can initialize 3 variables with one value. A equal to, B equal to, for example, 20. This is also correct. We initialized 2 variables, A and B, with one value. So what if the name of our variable is longer than one word? For example, the name of our variable is first name. How should we write that? We can write it in 3 ways. The first one is that we start every word with uppercase. For example, I'm going to write first name is equal to Bob. So here's the first letter of first word is F, and we used it with capital. And the next one is also name, and also we use the first letter of that with uppercase. So this is the one way, and the next way is we use the first letter of first word with lowercase, and we use the other words with uppercase. For example, like this: first name, and the first letter of word first is with lowercase, and the other starts with uppercase. And the third way is that we use a underline between them. For example, I can use underline between the word first and the word name, or I can use either with uppercase or lowercase. So like this: first underline name. So to sum up, when we create a variable, we simply write the name of our variable, and we use the assign operator, and after that we use the value of our variable. Simply we initialize our variable, and we said that the name of our variable shouldn't start with any number, or we cannot use any number as a name of a variable. And also the name of our variable are case sensitive. Uppercase and lowercase are different variables, and also we can initialize different variable with different value at the same time. And if the name of our variable is more than 2 words, we can write it in 3 ways. So this is all about the variable in Python. See you next video, and bye for now.